In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a text mask effect in Gimp, step by step, using a simple method that gives you a clean and professional result. This is a great effect for thumbnails, posters, banners, social graphics, and any design where you want an image to appear inside your text. It looks advanced, but once you understand the layer and selection workflow, it becomes very easy to repeat. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Gimp tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Gimp and load the image you want to appear inside your text. This will be the background image that fills the letters, so choose something with strong colors, interesting texture, or a clear subject. The more contrast your image has, the better the final text mask effect will look. Now, choose the text tool from the toolbox, or just press T on your keyboard. Click anywhere on the canvas and type your text. For the best result, use a bold font with thick letter shapes, because thin fonts can make the image inside the text harder to see. Fonts like Impact, Arial Black, or other heavy display fonts work really well for this effect. You can also adjust the size and placement of the text so it fits nicely in your composition. Once your text is in place, the next step is to turn that text into a selection. To do that, go to the Layers panel. If you don't see it, you can open it with Ctrl+L. Then right-click on your text layer and choose Alpha to Selection. This is one of the key steps in the process because it converts the shape of your text into a selection outline. You should now see the marching ants around the letters, which means Gimp has selected the text shape correctly. After that, hide the text layer by clicking the eye icon next to it. You no longer need to see the original text itself because the selection is what matters now. Hiding the layer helps keep the workspace clean and makes it easier to focus on the image mask effect you're building. Now, click on your background image layer in the Layers panel to make sure it is selected. This is very important because the mask needs to be applied to the image layer, not the text layer. With the image layer active, right-click it and choose Add Layer Mask. In the pop-up window, select Selection as the mask source, then click Add. Gimp will now use your text selection as a mask for the image layer, which means the image will only show where the text shape is. If everything was done correctly, you should see your image appear inside the text area, creating the text mask effect. This is the main result we wanted, and it should already look pretty impressive. At this point, you can refine the effect if you want. You can move the background image slightly to position the most important part of the photo inside the letters. You can also resize the image layer if the subject isn't centered the way you want. If the text appears too small or too large, you can always go back and adjust the text layer, then repeat the selection and mask process. If you want to make the design stand out even more, try adding a solid color background behind the masked text layer. A dark background can make bright images pop, while a light background can give you a cleaner, modern look. You can also add a subtle drop shadow or outline later for extra separation, depending on the style you're going for. And that's the full process for making a text mask effect in Gimp. It's simple, fast, and perfect for creating eye-catching designs without needing advanced editing skills. Once you practice this a few times, you'll be able to create the effect in just a couple of minutes. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Gimp editing tips, and check out the rest of the channel for more easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.